Welcome guys, today we're doing part 15, factorizing quadratic, another example. So x squared plus 14x plus 40. Step 1 is map to the right formula. So, same thing like last time, this 40 is not a perfect square, so not formula 1. And this has 3 terms, not 2 terms, so we can't do formula 2. So this is formula 3. Step 2 is mapping the equation. So you guys probably know how this works by now. 14 is right above a plus b, and 40 is right above ab. So, step 3, find the numbers. A plus b is equal to 14, because 14 is right above ab. And ab is equal to 40, because 40 is right above ab. So, we have to factorize 40. So, let me think, how can we factorize 40? We can do it as 10 and 4. Do 10 and 4 make 14? Of course they do. So this is a perfect pair. Let's see the sign. This is a positive 14, so this will be 10, 4. So the numbers are 10, 4 in parentheses. Don't forget, guys, 14 decides the sign, and 40 is for factorizing and finding the numbers. Step 4 is substitute the formula. So our answer would be x plus 10 times x plus 4, because 10 is a and 4 is b.